Hey awesome learners, welcome. In the last part, we have created all the pages of our website, but the navbar is not working. In this page, we are going to explore how we are going to work with navbar, how the links of this navbar is going to active. Okay, for that, I am just going to open my Sublime text. Okay, just let me drag it from here, and inside our navbar.html. Okay, so check here, there is a empty targeting anchor tags, that is hatch. Okay, so here we are going to update this to our urls. Okay, to our routes. Okay, for that, to define any route, to use any route inside html page, we are going to use ginger templating. Okay, so bracket start bracket end percentile, and we are going to the keyword, use the keyword url, and this url will target to this is the about, so home page. Like as we are going to define every urls for this, so I am just going to copy and paste it in each of the hashtag. Control v paste and paste. Okay, so this page will be experience, so slash experience, but the e is small, so small e. This is this is education, and I'm going to paste education, but e is small. This is skills, I'm going to paste skills, and the s will small s. Interest, I'm going to paste interest, but the I is small. I'm just madman. Okay, I have done my, okay, yeah, control s. Okay, so what this url keyword will do, it will search for the urls with name homepage. Okay, if you can see in our urls.py, okay, it is finding the name experience, name education, name skills. These names we are using in this url format. Okay, this will search the urls with name homepage, with name experience, with name education. Don't think that it is using this slash. Okay, this is not route, this is using the names. Okay, homepage is the name, experience is name, education is names. Okay, so let me save both the file, control s, and go to my uh, browser and just refresh it. Okay, it give me some error, that is interest. Okay, I have given a mistaken interest, so let me just verify that interest. So let me just copy the name of interest over from here, and let me paste it on here. I will save it another time, then I will going to refresh it. Okay, it's working now. Ours working. Wow, interest, wow, skills, education, experience, about. Congratulations, we have completed the total portfolio works, and each of the links are available. Okay, the LinkedIn, Twitter, GitHub, and Facebook, these links I have not given. You can give these links like as HTML links. You have to just copy your link and paste it in the hashtag on these links. So this is your portfolio website, it is going to show all about you. On the next part, we are going to explore how you can deploy this website to the server. Okay, so I think you get the knowledge how we are going to create a portfolio, what is portfolio, and you can add this portfolio to your resume. That's all. Thank you for watching.